It's been 3.5 years since I worked in television. Things have changed. I've changed slightly. But one of the main changes, you probably noticed, there is no ashtray. I have given it up. I'm a heavy smoker. I used to even smoke in between smokes. I've given it up. Totally changed. And the most extraordinary thing about giving up smoking, to non-smokers, I'm a convert. I've come over. I've joined them. They're proud of me. They say, good for you. You've given up the filthy habit. Good, 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 good. The heavy smokers who used to be my allies, I'm a traitor. Bloody Judas! You of all people! But one of the good things, or one of the new things about giving up smoking, is that I now have my sense of smell back. I can actually get up in the morning and open a window, throw it up and breathe it, and smell again. Petrol. Carbon monoxide. Dog shit.